This page shows the basics of working with themes in Canvas and with DesignPLUS. You'll remember from previous sessions that if I want to choose a theme, I can click on my green puzzle piece to do that. Before doing that, though, one thing that I found is very helpful is to go ahead and give your page a title. You can create the theme without doing that, but you will save yourself some headaches if you go ahead and give your page a title. Now I need to decide how I want my theme to look, and I've got two choices to make right up front. Do I want this to be a basic page or a front page? A basic page will not have, by default, the navigation block, which allows students to click easily to links that you want them to go to, nor will it have a banner image by default. You can add both of those things, but the front page has them as a built-in feature. If I hover over any of these themes, you will see that it gives me a preview, and you can see this is the colored headings box 2. If I click on basic and click on colored headings, you can see it's a very different look. I'm sorry, I actually clicked on that. I wanted to hover over it. I'm going to make mine a front page, and I'm going to choose colored headings box left 1. Kind of like that one. And you can see that it puts in here a banner image for me and my navigation block. But I want to customize this a little bit more than what is here. I want to start by changing the banner image. There are two different ways we can do this. I'm going to show you one of them here, and then we'll come back to another one later. If I expand the Choose a Banner Image menu, you'll see that there are a good handful of already built-in LR institutional images. So I can switch to the bear. Asheville and Columbia folks, I'm working on getting some images for your campuses. And hopefully we'll have those in the next few weeks. I can also use an image from my course file, but one word of warning. I'm going to click back here to my Choose a Theme. If I hover back over this theme, you'll see that it recommends an image ratio of 10:3. An image that is not that ratio will still work. It may not look ideal, but it will work. If I hover over basic color, you can see it requires a 10:3 image. So be sure that you're using the right sized image, and CTL staff can help you with that. Really, we can even help you design kind of a custom banner image using a program like Canva if that's something you really want. Let's say I also want to customize my banner text. The text number over in the upper left corner, usually that's used to indicate what unit or what module we're in, but this is going to be my front page, so I don't have one of those. It would be very tempting just to click my cursor in here and go to town, but do not do that. You will delete formatting and then it'll be a mess. Instead, click on Customize Banner Text. You can choose whether to show the Canvas title. Usually you don't, because usually your Canvas title is going to be the same as your content title. I'm just going to delete this. I don't really want this block on my welcome page. And let's say I actually don't like Welcome to English 131. I want to give the course subtitle. I can just type in here and you can see and I can't remember if that's actually the subtitle or not. And somehow I don't like the look of that. So what I can do is to use the built-in subtitle feature by clicking in this field and pasting that. And you can see DesignPLUS automatically puts in another colored box to hold that content. I could go even a step further and provide a description here. So we've got a good bit of flexibility in terms of customizing that banner text. I am going to hold off on customizing the navigation block until we've covered some other concepts in DesignPLUS. So there's your quick tutorial on working with your themes.